Hey, this is Seth with Circuit Board Medics, and today we're going to walk through the removal and installation process for a 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK TIPM. To remove your TIPM, you will need a flathead screwdriver. This is useful for releasing the locking tabs holding the TIPM in, as well as disconnecting the plugs. You will also need a deep well 13mm socket. This is for removing the main power cable. You will also need a 10mm socket. This is for disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Finally, you will need a ratchet. This is for your 10 and 13mm sockets. Now that you have all of your tools together, let's remove the module. First, we will start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal with our 10mm socket and ratchet. Then we will give the vehicle at least 5 minutes to allow all residual power to dissipate. Doing this first helps protect you and the module during the removal process. Next, we will move over to the TIPM, where we will pop off the cover. Then you should see a power cable connected to the TIPM with a 13mm nut. Remove the nut and cable. Disconnect the 4 tabs holding the TIPM down by pushing them in with your flathead screwdriver. Then lift up the TIPM to reveal the plugs. You will see 3 different styles of connectors. You want to be careful when disconnecting them so you don't break the brittle plastic. Use your flathead screwdriver to push the locking tabs on the plugs to disconnect them. Then press and pull the lever up before slowly wiggling them out. Repeat these steps on the other plugs. If a plug does not move easily, wiggle it gently rather than forcing it to prevent damaging the housing or the side tabs. Before we reinstall the TIPM, let's talk about your replacement options. You could purchase a new dealership part, but those often carry the same design flaws that caused your original module to fail. You could also take a gamble on a used part, but you run the risk of it being damaged or nearing the end of its life. Or you could opt for a permanent fix. At Circuit Board Medics, we offer repair and exchange options that use upgraded components, giving you better than new performance for a fraction of the cost. For repair services, simply find your part on our site, purchase our repair service, and send your module to us. Once we receive it, we will fully rebuild and test your module, addressing all known problem areas. If you choose an exchange service, we will send you a remanufactured module with instructions on how to ship your faulty module to us. Now that you have your repaired part back, let's reinstall it in your vehicle. First, reconnect the plugs in the order you removed them. Make sure to seat each plug well, or the module won't sit right and the connectors may not make good contact. Press the tab in to release the lever, and make sure you press down the locking tabs. Next, align the module with the tabs and push down to click in. Ensure all fuses are pressed down. Reconnect the power to the TIPM and use the 13mm socket to tighten the nut back down. Be careful not to over-tighten this nut. Finally, press the lid back on. Now we're going to reconnect the negative battery cable. If you choose the repair and return service, you can simply start your vehicle and test drive to check for full functionality. If you selected the exchange option, you will need to complete a global reset. To complete this, you can follow the included steps, or you can check out the video linked below. To make sure everything was installed properly, we want to begin by turning your key to the on position. Make sure the instrument cluster lights up normally. If you need your module rebuilt, head over to circuitboardmedics.com or click the link in the description below to get started. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more professional repair guides from Circuit Board Medics.